Every woman carries within her the power of Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity. She nurtures dreams, balances responsibilities, and builds her family's tomorrow. To honor this spirit, LIC introduces Bima Lakshmi, plan number 881. A guaranteed return plan designed exclusively for women, combining security, savings, and steady income. It's not just a policy, it's a celebration of confidence and care. Bima Lakshmi is a non-linked, non-participating money-back plan crafted especially for female lives. It gives you life cover throughout the policy term, assured money-back benefits at regular intervals, a guaranteed lump sum maturity value, premium payment term 7 to 15 years, policy term 25 years, minimum sum assured to lakh rupees, no upper limit. And every year, guaranteed additions of 7% of the tabular annual premium keep boosting your savings. In simple words, even if markets fluctuate, your benefits remain rock solid. Every woman's life has a different rhythm. That's why Bima Lakshmi gives 3 payout choices. Let's see how these work through a real-life example. Mrs. Lakshmi, age 35, sum assured 10 lakh rupees, 25-year term, 15-year premium. Mrs. Lakshmi invests 1,12,950 rupee per year for 15 years, a total of 17.14 lakh rupees. At the 15th year, she receives 5 lakh rupees. That's 50% of her sum assured. At maturity, she gets a guaranteed 32.56 lakh rupees, taking her total benefits to 37.56 lakh rupees. While full life cover continues throughout the 25 years. Ideal for those who prefer a major midterm boost. To fund a child's education, renovate a home, or start a venture. Here, Mrs. Lakshmi pays 1,68,900 rupee per year for 15 years. 25.53 lakh rupees in total. She receives 75,000 rupees every 2 years. 12 times, adding up to 9 lakh rupees. On maturity, 43.74 lakh rupees is paid, including 33.74 lakh rupees as guaranteed additions. Her total guaranteed return touches 52.74 lakh rupees on a 25.5 lakh rupees investment. Option B is perfect for those who want steady cash for school fees, vacations, or EMIs, without losing long-term growth. Under option C, Mrs. Lakshmi pays 1,62,400 rupee per year for 15 years, 24.56 lakh rupees total. She receives 1.5 lakh rupees every 4 years. 6 times in total, 9 lakh rupees. At the end of 25 years, she gets 42.44 lakh rupees including 32.44 lakh rupees as guaranteed additions. That's 51.44 lakh rupees guaranteed on 24.5 lakh rupees investment. A 2.09 times return. A perfect fit for families with milestones every few years. Education, marriage, or celebrations. All 3 double the investment with guaranteed returns and continuous life cover. The choice depends on how you want your money. All at once, in small flows, or in meaningful milestones. You can enhance protection through powerful riders. 1 accidental death and disability rider. Extra sum assured plus premium waiver on disability. 2 accident benefit rider. Extra coverage till premium term. 3. New term assurance rider. Add pure life cover up to 25 lakh rupees. 4. Female critical illness rider. A first in LIC history, exclusive for women. Bima Lakshmi offers a women-exclusive female critical illness benefit rider with 3 profiles. You can pick at inception. The benefit is a lump sum on diagnosis of covered conditions, while the base policy continues. Profiles, modules. Profile 1, Early Stage CIS Major Cancer. Female organ cancers. Benefit is equal to 100% of Module 1 sum assured. Profile 2, Common surgeries illnesses in women. Benefit is equal to 100% of Module 2 sum assured. Profile 3, Pregnancy complications and congenital anomalies. Benefit is equal to 200% of Module 3 sum assured. How much can a customer choose? Minimum module sum assured, 1 lakh rupee per module. Maximum module sum assured. Module 1, up to 4 lakhs rupees. Module 2, up to 4 lakhs rupees. Module 3, up to 2 lakhs rupees. Total FCIR payout cap across chosen modules. Min, 50% of SA on death, 5 lakhs rupees, and cannot exceed 5 lakhs rupees in aggregate. Subject to the per module maximums above and LIC underwriting across all existing FCIR covers. Because Module 3 pays 200% of its module sum assured, even a 2 lakh rupees Module 3 selection can deliver 4 lakh rupees on a covered event. But remember the overall 5 lakh rupees cap across all modules. Age and term, eligibility. Entry age, all modules 18 years, completed. Max entry age, Module 1 and 2 50 years. Module 3 35 years. Rider term, Module 1 and 2. Same as base plan. Module 3, 45 age at entry, years or 25 years. Whichever is lower, cover ceases by age 45. Payment and continuity. On diagnosis of a covered condition, LIC pays the FCIR benefit as per profile and module. The base Bima Lakshmi policy continues with its survival maturity benefits. Need flexibility? You have it. Loan available after 1 year, up to 75% of surrender value. Auto cover and paid-up provisions keep insurance active if premium stops. Premiums qualify for tax benefits under Section 80C. Maturity and death benefits under 10(10)(d). Bima Lakshmi stays with you through every turn of life. Bima Lakshmi goes a step further to protect the policyholder through its auto cover feature and deferment option for survival benefits. Under the auto cover feature, if a premium remains unpaid after the grace period, the full life cover continues automatically for 2 years, provided at least 3 full year premiums have already been paid. That means even if payments stop temporarily, the protection remains, safeguarding the family while you plan to revive the policy. Next, the deferment of survival benefits gives flexibility on the payout schedule. The policyholder can choose to postpone a due survival benefit to any later policy anniversary, and the deferred amount earns additional guaranteed interest as specified by LIC. This feature is ideal when you don't need the cash immediately. You can let it grow until a bigger milestone. Guaranteed returns, flexible payouts, comprehensive protection. LIC's Bima Lakshmi is more than a plan. It's a promise of financial freedom and peace of mind for every woman and her family. Whether you are an LIC advisor, guiding others, or a customer planning for your own future, Bima Lakshmi stands for trust, security, and empowerment. Because when you choose Bima Lakshmi, you don't just build wealth. You build confidence for life.